Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Co, TSMC, the world's largest contract chipmaker, is expected to announce a 30% increase in second quarter profits, amounting to $236.1 billion, $725 billion. This surge is driven by heightened demand for AI applications, with key clients such as Apple and Nvidia. TSMC's stock has reached record highs, contributing to the broader Taiwan market's growth. The company is also expanding its production capabilities, including a $65 billion investment in 3 new plants in Arizona, while maintaining most of its manufacturing in Taiwan. During its upcoming earnings call, TSMC will update its outlook for the current quarter and full year, including potential increases in capital expenditure, which is projected to be between $28 billion and $32 billion this year. The robust demand for AI technologies has significantly boosted TSMC's market position, though it faces competition from Intel and Samsung. TSMC's critical role in Taiwan's economy further underscores its importance as a leading player in the global semiconductor industry.